Executed the offense. They didn't crash. They pushed it.
Kept them all well in some ways.
They took us to our every game to probably the first.
Yeah, tonight was offensive. We needed everybody to come out there. Not only the offense, but the defense.
Know what it meant.
Before and kind of understand the adrenaline rush and whatnot. So it's just kind of been a long 3 days with just having come back and then fly to grind it out.
Draymond, how's your ankle and what happened to it? Your mom tweeted out that you had tweaked it.
Clay was in here earlier. That dude had the best series I think I've ever seen him play on both ends of the floor, defending Dame, exhausting all his energy.